So over here you can see that I have an image right here. So let me just go around and add in a smart fix right here. And let's say what I want to do is work around with different type of effects. For example, a Lomo camera effect. So I'm going to go around onto the guided mode for this, and then once I go around over here on the color option, then you can see that Lomo camera effect is an option right here, and you can see the before and after as an example as well. So if I were to go around and click, then you can see that there's different option right here. So there's this Lomo camera effect right here, as you can see, and you can see that your image gets a bit like an old picture right here. So the color effect is applied, as you can see. And then you can go around and apply the vignette over here as well. So just like this, you can go around and click on apply vignette, and it has been applied. And that's it. So that is all you need to do in order to apply the Lomo effect, as you can see. And you can see the change right here. And if you're okay with the change, then you can click on next right here and just continue editing in quick or expert mode, just like this. So that is how you can use the guided Lomo camera effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.